Democracy is evolving. It's a process of collective action. It is a process of innovation. It's also a process of linking local, national, and European levels and bridging, in this moment, organizations such as the European Union and the Council of Europe. What we believe is by deeply listening to public voices, whether in Greece or in Italy or in the Council of Europe, here today in Florence, we can liberate the power of citizens' engagement and ensure that democracy remains responsive, strong, and resilient. So I, of course, wholeheartedly support this initiative, the Democratic Odyssey. The Council of Europe has recognized it at least in two reports, the Democracy Report, and one I have worked on concerning participative and deliberative democracy. This Odyssey, this assembly, is something special. It's not just a discussion, but a laboratory for change, an experiment in moving from individual to collective action so important today. We're not simply producing recommendations. We want to shape new ways of citizens to be heard, particularly in these moments of crisis where there are some, we call them these storms, crises that define power, reveal inequalities, create both risks, but also opportunities, which we need to use. So I believe that this work in Florence will help chart a course for more democratic responses all across Europe. These ideas, along with renewed focus on crisis management at every level of government, set the stage for a vibrant debate. I see we will even engage in civic arts in order to seek how we can collectively create a citizens' charter. So over the next 2 days in Florence, I understand you will be shaping this charter, outlining how communities can better manage crises through inclusive and transparent practices. As was said earlier, we had the meeting in Pnyx in Athens. I was there when this first assembly took shape. Now seeing Athens and Florence working together, two cities are central. They are central to democracy's revolution, and they happen to be symbolically linked. As in ancient Athens, it pioneered the sortition, or if you like, the random choice of citizens to ensure broad citizen participation through many publics, while Renaissance Florence had the Tratta, a system of lottery and election to prevent the concentration of power. Both remind us that democracy is not a fixed system. It's an evolving practice, one that must be continuously fought for and renewed. It's a struggle to counterbalance the elite dominance, nurture civic responsibility. And that's of huge importance today, as we are seeing the emergence in many parts of the world, recently in the United States, of oligarchies and plutocrats holding so much concentration of power. So I think when we blend tradition and innovation, this is empowering as it is also inspirational to support new democratic practices for our modern challenges. It's also so important that you will explore how to include voices of those often absent, the refugees, non-citizens, future generations, so that we are ensuring that democracy is not just about those in the room, but about those who are affected by its outcomes. So with that short message, I encourage you all in this debate, in this discussion, in this endeavor. I wish you the best for your work, for our work. It's not just about today, it's about the future of European democracy. So thank you and good luck.